snow.
We're out of here.
Excited?
Yeah. It's pretty cool to be back in Florida. I mean, we were just here a month ago, basically. Yeah, it's April. Yeah, we were here like a month and a half ago. And now we're back. We're racing in the Freedom 500. I feel like when you say Freedom 500, you got to throw that I don't know what twang on it. Yeah. But yeah. So it's what is it, Wednesday? It's Wednesday. We're heading down to the track right now. I just got a hold of Cleetus and asked him if there's anything we could do down at the track, get some video stuff. So he was out testing the Crown Vics today, so I said to make sure he puts me in a fast one, because if we end up winning this thing, whatever we win's going in the burnout show on Saturday. So if we end up with the Corvette, that'll be cool. But I mean, who else has put a Sprinter van into the burnout show? So that's kind of our plan, if I can pull this off. I don't know. We practiced, but it's it's gonna be a tough race. Oh, this is so cool. Like, who would have thought we'd be racing in the Freedom 500?
Every time.
But seriously though, like, who would have thought that we'd be here racing this year?
The van? Van too?
Van Prix. They got van races this week. Oh man, I'm so excited. When I found out I was in, I was like, no way, that's awesome. All right. We had our Crown Vic that we have back home. We took it down to our local track just to turn some laps and get back into the groove. And,
all right, great.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I got your windows cleaned up on yours, good. But I didn't paint them. I had so much paint overspray on everything, couldn't hardly see out of it. So I got the windows all done.
I told Cleetus this morning, I texted Cleetus, and was like, make sure you pick me a fast one, because whatever I win, I'm going to put in the burnout show the next day.
Well, he, in fact, I think he's pretty sure he tested yours this morning.
Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah. He said, I tried it out at reps. Awesome.
All right, great.
No, well, I said, is there anything I can do for content, or you guys need any? He's like, boys might need a hand getting some cars ready. I said, well, we'll come down. There's a lot of people that would be jealous to see this many Crown Vics in one place.
Look at all of them. I mean, and this whole row here is ready to go. You can crank them up right now.
That's awesome.
It's a racetrack with them right now.
Oh, there she is. What? No way. There she is, guys. So we're here at the Freedom Factory. We're helping as much as we can help, and it is just a lineup of Crown Vics. It is a lineup of just old police cars. It's so cool. But we're we're helping a little bit, changing tires, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put the phone down because these guys are gonna get mad at me for not helping when I said I was gonna help.
Happy?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
No, I wouldn't call that red.
Huh? Well, it's kind of red. It's like, well, okay, it's pink. So we just gotta paint the roof white and put a maple leaf on it. Maybe the door is white.
It's not derby, honey.
Yeah, we do have to keep that in mind that it isn't derby. We aren't here to derby, we're here to race. So I gotta go back like, what was it, like 15 years on racing. So I'm excited. Talked to Cleetus, he said it rips. So I'm looking forward to it. This is gonna be a fun weekend. And if we win, whatever we win is going in the burnout show the next day. Maybe.
Maybe. You already said it.
Oh yeah. So we got, there's horn blasters in them. So we can, as we pass people, blast the horn at them, I guess. There's nitrous on them.
Yeah.
So this little yellow light in the back. I guess when you hit your nitrous, this starts flashing so people know you're on the nitrous.
Oh.
But this is sweet. I'm excited.
Are you gonna change the Ford?
Huh?
And change out the Ford?
Well, no. I should change it to Mercury. Oh, he gave us a Mercury. No, so pretty much all the cars are like police cars. They're Ford, like the Interceptor engines, which is, I mean, pretty cool. We looked down the line and I was like, every single one of these is a actual Crown Vic, but it's, yeah, like this is pretty cool. You got a whole bunch of ex-cop cars that are racing around, and they make it so you can adjust your seat. So it's really built for anyone, right? So tomorrow we'll get the seat adjusted. I'll probably acclimatize myself. I was talking to Ty and he said to start hydrating today. And yeah, because 100 laps is it's a lot. So I guess you're gonna see me drinking some water today, honey.
It's the first time ever.
Yeah, this is sweet. Yeah, I thought it was that one down there, but that's Biffle's car. So. Cool. Alright guys, we got the old Cobra chicken. So, depending how you're looking at it, it's red, but it's also pink. So, oh, we're good. We're gonna get it all painted up tomorrow. But, yeah, this thing is sweet. They're gonna adjust the seats a little bit for me. And, we got some horn blasters in here. This is awesome. This thing's gonna be wild. I can't wait, guys. We're rocking the Nitos. These are a little bit better tires than what we were running on the Crown Vic back home. But yeah, to protect and serve, old cop car, awesome. All right, guys, so we get to come up here. There's the old Cobra chicken over there. We're gonna be coming up here, bring the cars out onto the track. This is pretty awesome. Like, this is cool. So 3/8 oval, high bank, just like when we were dirt track racing. This is pretty awesome. Like, it's pretty awesome. There's the grass. Try not to wreck the grass. Just wicked. This is awesome. I'm so looking forward to this. This isn't something I had on my bingo card for 2025, but hey, we'll take it. This is really going to be a lot of fun. Going to meet a lot of awesome people here, I think, too. Let's go see the car. So here's the car over here. Probably could have done a little bit better job on the paint, but hey, it's windy. I got some overspray on the windshield. Gonna have to clean that off tomorrow, but man, this thing is, we got the seat all adjusted for me. Got a good old spoiler. Put some downforce on those tires. Guys, this is gonna be wicked. I can't wait. Just awesome. Oh man, you guys would drool down here at what's behind those trees, the amount of Crown Vics that are here. Holy crap. It's just crazy the amount. This is awesome. All you Derby guys, you guys wonder where the Crown Vics are. You just gotta come down to Bradenton, Florida. They're everywhere here. Awesome. Oh, here's Cleetus' car. This is the one we're gonna have to fly by. Man, that looks nice.